Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your INFINIX Note 30 VIP isn't detecting your SIM card. First of all, safely remove the SIM card from your SIM card tray. Prepare a pin-like tool to eject it, insert it into this pinhole. Push the tool inside and then carefully eject the tray from your smartphone. Check your SIM card, check the contact spot, and carefully wipe it with a piece of a soft cloth. And optionally, but very I highly recommend also trying to insert your SIM card into another smartphone to make sure that it's functional. So if you can do this, do it. But since most people don't have a spare smartphone around, I would tell that this step is optional. Just clean your SIM card, reinsert it into your SIM card tray. You can also use a different SIM card slot. If you used the first one, then the first slot, you can move your SIM card into the second one by rotating it like this and pushing it inside, or do the opposite and place it into the first SIM card slot. Basically, it shouldn't matter, but sometimes it just might. After that, you're gonna have to reinsert your SIM card into your smartphone, this side. And now make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu on your smartphone, select System, select System Update, and select Online Update. Then check for available updates for your device, and if you do have a software update for your smartphone, then let your smartphone install it and then automatically restart. Otherwise, just restart your phone manually by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds and selecting Restart option. After that, check your network connection once again, and if you're still having issues, then go to Settings, scroll down to System, then go to System, Reset Phone at the bottom, and then select Reset Wi-Fi Settings and confirm. And this will also reset your SIM card, which might just make your smartphone redetected. And after that, the issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.